See, Heather asks, what's the max number of keywords you would use in a campaign? That's really, once again, you can take the sniper approach or the shotgun approach. I used to go shotgun. I'm a big fan of that technique. Nowadays, it doesn't work quite as well because Amazon's not showing keywords unless it's pretty relevant to your listing. How you can do the shotgun approach now is, actually. I wish we would have went over some of the other basic stuff here. Anyway, broad phrase and exact. We're going to explain that here in a little bit. But so what you can do in that case is use a broad match. And so if you were selling a water bottle, you would use water bottle as a broad match. And what that's going to do is pull in any kind of keyword that's related to that. You're going to get some crazy stuff because it's going to match with water or bottle. Anywhere, no matter where those appear. So it can get pretty crazy on a broad match. But that's how you can kind of flush out like long tail keywords, which we're also going to go over here in a little bit. So the max number is 1,000 is what Amazon allows. Like I said, we still do that just because I like to kind of test the gambit. But the kind of easier way, if you don't know really what you're doing starting out, is to use the broad match to kind of flush out. A broad match is similar to like an auto campaign, but you're just actually targeting a specific keyword or keywords so that you can get stuff related to that, rather than when you do an auto campaign, it's pulling stuff off your entire listing and matching keywords out of your entire listing. So it's a little bit more targeted in that sense. So yeah.